Everybody, we're on deck 11. This is cabin 722. This is an infinite ocean view. Now, if you're new to the concept of infinite cabins, what that basically means is instead of a balcony, you have a big window, but it goes up and down. So if you want the fresh air coming in, you can lower that down. Now, the nice thing is, because this is all inside space, it gives the cabin more square footage. There's just no balcony. So let us know if you have a regular balcony, because a lot of people would talk about if you're down in the Caribbean and you have that open, it's going to suck all the AC out of the cabin. But you could close these curtains to help that out. Over here, you have your bed, which, as you can see, it's in its king configuration, or it can be two twins. You have US power and USB over there, and just USB on the other side. Across from the bed, nice big TV, as well as some USB over here. Nice large sofa that in some cabins can convert to be a bed. Over here, you have a mini fridge, drawers, plenty of power, guys, US, European, and USB, lighted mirror. Lots of closet space, too. Lots of hanging, short hanging, long hanging, and some baskets. And then over here is where your safe is hidden with some more cubbies. Bathroom is also a decent size. You've got the toilet, which is in a great place for someone my height at 6'4". A very large shower. It's so big, it's got a big bench in the back. It's great. You've got a nice size sink. It's not too big, not too small. Lighted mirror, shelves, power. There's also shelves and storage down there on the bottom, too. So yeah, at first look, a lot of people might think it's small, but that's a really good size bathroom. So let us know what you think of the infinite balcony concept. Again, this is an infinite ocean view. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao!